Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with the company called Myfirstwig. I've seen them for years here on the YouTube streets, but this is my first time working with them, so this is a treat for me. This is everything that came in my box. This is an elastic band. It doesn't have like the Velcro on it, so you would tie it around. So yeah, it's a nice long strap, and this is a goodie bag, great for beginners. It comes with 2 clips and a comb. And then you also get this portable wig stand, which is very convenient. And this is the bag with the wig in it. So these are the specs of the wig. I have a wig named GG01 or GG001. I have a natural hair color, which is their off black. This is a 13 by 6, 20 inch, 160% density wig. The knots come deep bleached. It does come with an elastic band, combs, and adjustable straps. The hairline that I have is the deep and ultimate pre-plucked hairline. So yeah, these are all of the specs for my wig, and I will have it down in the description box. The texture of my wig was a light Yaki, so I really like the texture, y'all. It mimics relaxed hair, or if you got your natural hair straightened out. So it kind of mimics kinky straight, but it's a tad bit different to me than kinky straight. All right, y'all, so I of course apply my wig using bedhead hardhead spray, and I'm just showing y'all of course how I do that. Y'all see that all the time, so I'm not going to bore y'all with my commentary, but I did want to say that this wig was really nice, y'all. I really love the texture, and it already came pre-layered, so I didn't have to add any layers to it in the front. I really like this wig, y'all. I really did. It was really nice. The hairline was really nice. The lace was really thin as well. I didn't use much bedhead hardhead spray. I just put a little bit on this brush and tapped it in just so it could stick. But you do not have to do this part if you don't want, because it can be worn glueless, like no spray, no glue. But y'all know I do love to tape mine down just for some extra security, so that's what I did. And then I went in and flat ironed the wig just to give it a more of a pressed look. But yeah, other than that, I have no complaints for this wig. So if you're interested in this wig or in the company, I do have their information in the description box. All right, I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I do want to thank Myfirstwig for working with me and allowing me to try out this wig. I really appreciate it, and I really enjoyed the wig and my experience with the company. So thank you all so much, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
All of up until it's down to the bones. Tell her don't show if it ain't heels and bones. I can already see, oh what a feeling. Just get jealous if I hit that too hard. You come first, you know you're my heart. Cause it'll always be yours. Girl, I'm not turning you out. Till I came around, and you hit me falling out of the elbow. Assume the position. Girl, proceed with the kill. Yeah, you already know. You know just how I like to see it. You know just how I do. You already know. You know I like to go down. And you know I won't stop blessing you. You already know. Around, and you hit me falling out of the elbow. Assume the position.